Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Today we are going to discuss the more than 90 degrees will come. Let nothing but more than 90 degrees will come to the trigonometric components. How you have to calculate. Example, sine 120 degrees. How you have to calculate? Let us sine 180 degrees. How you have to calculate? Sine 210. How you have to calculate? Greater than 90 degrees to infrared. Let us want to go for sine 2020 also. How you have to calculate? For more than the 90 degrees angle will be there. They mention how you are going to calculate that concept. In this lecture I am going to explain it. To understand that concept, we required a concept is called as the quadrants dislocation, and we have all silver teacups concept. That I will explain once. After listen that concept, we have to easy to do that more problems. Hi guys. Let us. I should go. The given quadrant. I will make it into 4 parts. This is the thing we know that x and y axis. So generally we can write down. It's called as. We know very clearly. This is a 0 degrees. If you go for a positive angle, anti-clockwise direction. This is called as a 90 degrees. Go back to this. It is a 180 degrees. Go back to this. This is a 270 degrees. Go back to this. 360 degrees. It means 360 degrees equal to 0 degrees. If you go back to this, again you go for 360 will plus 90. Again the 420 will come. So keep on 450 will come. Keep on going on down. This is the angle rotation bit express. Then after your requirement is if you want to locate the quadrants. So 0 to 90 quadrant, we are writing its quadrant number 1, Q1. Quadrant number 1. So this is called as a quadrant number 2. This is called as a quadrant number 3. This is called as a quadrant number 4. Please remember quadrant numbers. Q3, Q4, Q1. This is the requirement of remember. Next, angles you have to write down. So this is a plane, quadrant number 1, 0 to 90. We can write here 90 less than value. This I can write 90 minus theta. 90 minus sin theta. These are all will come, less than 90 will come. If it is more than 90 means the component will come. This here I write 90 plus theta. The things will come less than 180. So 180 minus theta. So quadrant 2 you can write 90 plus theta. 180 minus theta. This is quadrant number 3, more than 180 will come. This you can write here 180 plus theta less than 270. 270 minus theta. Next, if you go for here, what are you going to have? 270 plus. So 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Go back to top also, we can write very clearly. What is this one? 360 plus theta. 90 minus theta. That I wrote very clear. It is top I am writing here very clear. This is the quadrant numbers or corresponding angles. Please remember here. Let us write for my current I am writing here, but 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. This is the location very important when you are doing the problems. So when I am doing the problems, I require 90 plus theta. Which quadrant? 90 plus theta means 90 plus quadrant number 2 sir. 180 plus theta. Quadrant number 3 sir. 270 minus theta. This 270 plus like this. These quadrant numbers you have to remember. First work is over. Then after that we have a concept is called as all silver teacups. So first is called as all. This is called as silver tea cups. CUPS. I am writing all silver teacups. This is the English. So the person will make to analyze very clearly. What is the meaning of why I am writing here all means? In this first quadrant, all values are positive. All components are positive. What are all components? 6 trigonometric components are positive. What are those? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta, sec theta. All these 6 components which are all going to be positive. They are all going to be positive. All means all are positive. Next here silver. Silver we have S transfer sign. S transfer sign. So in this here sin theta is positive. 1 by sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta we know cosecant theta. So cosecant theta. This sin theta, cosecant theta only positive. Rest of all negative. Rest of all means sin cosecant theta over cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta. Rest of 4 are negative in this quadrant value. Next here T cups. T cups means in this T transfer T. So T nothing but we know tan theta. So tan theta reciprocal we know cot theta. 1 by tan cot theta. So tan theta cot theta only positive. Rest of all negative. It means sin cos and cosecant secant theta in this quadrant negative, these two only positive. Next in this having cups. Cups stands for C. C nothing but cos theta. Cos theta reciprocal we know secant theta. So cos theta secant theta only positive. Rest of all negative. Secant theta and cos theta positive. Sin, tan, cot and cosecant theta negative in the fourth component. So this is the things we required when you go for a problems. And after this, we have some information when you are entering this space comment. I am talking of this one. So this is a quadrant number 4, Q4. This is the Q3. Of this is information. Then I should start working for different problems. Later I should select sin 120 calculation. I will take an example, sin 120 calculation. So problem number 1, sin 120. So the problem I will do 2 methods. So this I will make it to 2 parts. Sin 120 you are splitting into 2 parts. So I can write known values sin 90 plus 30. This is I can write sin 120 I can split 90 plus 30. Or else I can write one more thing also, sin 180 minus 60. So this is the model process solution 1. This is solution 2. 2 models you can do it. Clear it is? So first later I will explain solution number 1. Given question you have to split it into 90 plus theta. This theta value should be less than 90. 45, 30, 60 till 90 only. More than 90 means you should not take. So less than 90 plus some other thing. 120 means I am writing 30 plus 90. I can write it. So this I write 180 minus something theta. 60 also less than 90. Less than 90 how to write? This value should be less than 90. Because less than 90 values we know. More than 90 only they are. More than 90 values we are converting less than 90 to do that. So in this very careful 2 steps is the step number 1. Step number 1, I will write one table. Step number 1. Whenever here trigonometric components 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta will come. 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta will come. Sin theta we can write cos theta. Tan theta is there, please write cot theta. Cosecant theta is there, please write secant theta. So reverse also. Sin theta means cos theta means sin theta. Tan means cot means tan, cosecant means sec, secant means tan. Next, or else one more possibility is there, 180 plus or minus theta or 360 plus or minus theta. This even terms will come. This is the even pattern, this is the odd pattern because 90, 270 is here 9 and 27 is even odd number. 1836 means even number, that's what I said, even pattern, odd pattern, for my equivalent and value. So this is the case will come, no change. No change means example, sin is there, write sin only, cos is there, cos only, like all is there, all only, same, no change, as you write it down. So come back to this, step 1. Step 1 means, please look at here, step 1, 90 plus theta, which coordinate? 90 plus theta, this your assumption is theta. 90 plus theta, which coordinate? 90 plus theta is coordinate number 1. First take it, question number 1. quadrant number 1. Quadrant number 1, what you are having? Sin theta. So sin theta is quadrant number 1. Is it positive or not? So quadrant number 1, you have positive quadrant number 1, only sin and cosecant is positive. So what you are having, our value is sin. So our value is positive. So answer contains positive. Answer before you are getting positive. That is the case number 1. Step number 2 is 90 plus theta will comes under here or here? Here. Now 90 plus or minus. Here having 90 plus theta will be there. Please change. Sin means cos, tan means change. This will be interchangeable takes place. We have a sin, so how to write cos. So answer is positive from step 1. We have a sin, that's what you write. Changing this one, sin becomes cos. Copy theta as it is. Nothing but 30 degrees you can write. 90 is gone. So I think you know what is the cos 30 value. So cos 30 nothing but sin 60. Answer is root 3 by 2. Let us explain it once again. Step 1 is 90 plus theta. Which quadrant? Quadrant number 1. Sorry, quadrant number 2. Sorry, quadrant number 2. I don't wrong, I think so. Quadrant number 2. So quadrant number 2, 90 plus theta is there. In this quadrant number 2, who is positive? Sin or cosecant? Sin cosecant only positive. But what we are having? Sin or positive. That's what answer before write positive. Step 2. You have 90 plus theta of sin. So 90 plus theta, signs will change or not. 90 plus theta means sin case cos, tan case cos, reverse right. So sin is there, please write cos. Theta directly copy. So cos 30 root 3 by 2. So method 2 we will go, same method. What is the step number 1? 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means this only, same quadrant number 2. Quadrant number 2, your sign is going to be positive. That's what answer before is positive. Step 2. Step 2 is very simple. 180 minus theta. So it is not here. Go back to here. 180 minus theta. Is there a sign will change? No change. Whatever it is, I write it down. So your sign no change. Write as is. Please write place. Write as is. Sign becomes sign only. Theta you can copy. Sin 60 will come. Same answer. Root 3 by 2. So both cases answer is same. If you do this, place you write 180 minus theta, both you write, answer will be same. This concept you have to remember and apply this. Very clear it is. Next we will continue the next problems. More than the 360 values will go. How you will approach? Take your own sample problems, work it out. Please you can do it. You will get answers. Thanks for watch. Please continue for next videos. More than 360, how I should calculate it.